Hi Xsens users! Use the soft access point when you want to use your PC's Wi-Fi network card as an access point instead of the Asus included in your Link system. To set this up, make sure that you are running either MVN Animate Plus, Animate Pro, or Analyze Pro. Soft access point is not available in MVN Basic. As for hardware, the soft access point is only supported by the Xsens Link suit, not the Awinda system or the Awinda starter kit. To get started, run MVN, go to Options, Soft Access Point, and make sure that Enable Soft Access Point and Automatically Enable on Startup is checked on. To confirm that your Link body pack is in fact using the soft access point and not connecting to some other wireless network, plug your Link body pack into your PC using a micro USB cable. Turn the body pack on and wait for it to fully boot up. Then click Configure MVN Link. This button will load the web GUI for the Link body pack. And here is where you can confirm that the SSID is Xsens soft access point. If the SSID isn't Xsens soft access point, click Disconnect, go to the Known Networks drop-down menu, choose Xsens soft access point, and press Connect. The connection should happen within 10 seconds. If it doesn't, check to see if your laptop or desktop has a Wi-Fi network card installed. If not, you will not be able to use the soft access point functionality. It's important to note that when you turn on your Link body pack, it by default will always try to connect to the Xsens soft access point if the Asus is switched off. This is why it's best to turn the Asus off and put it away when using soft access point. Also, for a stronger wireless connection, Xsens recommends keeping your Wi-Fi on, but disconnecting your PC from a wireless network when capturing with soft access point. Now that the SSID has been confirmed, disconnect the Link body pack from the micro USB cable and go back into MVN. Start a motion capture session and you will see a hardware connection right away. At this point, enter your body dimensions, calibrate your suit, and begin capture. Thanks so much for watching. If you have more questions, please reach out to us at support@xsens.com.